The Made in India Renault Triber has achieved an impressive 4-star rating for adult occupant protection in a crash test conducted by the Global NCAP. Given the model's positioning as a mass market product, these scores are significant. The Triber underwent a full frontal offset crash test at 64 km per hour, and the analysis showed that the model offered good protection to the driver and passengers' head and neck. There was enough protection for the passengers' chest and knees as well. The Triber's body shell though has received an unstable rating, but the car's footwell area was rated as stable. With respect to child protection, the MPV scored 3 stars, which could have been improved with ISOFIX child seat anchors and a 3-point seat belt for the middle passenger in the second row. Global NCAP always tests the base version offer in the market to assess the car's basic safety levels. Yamaha Motor has slashed prices of the FZ25 and the FZ-S25 in India. The Yamaha FZ25 is now priced at 1,35,000 rupees, which makes it 18,800 rupees cheaper than the older version, while the Yamaha FZ-S25 is now priced at 1,39,000 rupees, witnessing a price cut of 19,300 rupees over the previous price. All prices are ex-showroom India. According to Yamaha, the price drop is due to the team being able to bring down input costs, and so the benefit is being passed on to the customers. Yamaha India says that irrespective of the price drop, the FZ25 series will continue to retain the same features and specifications. The quarter-litre offering draws power from the 249cc single-cylinder fuel-injected engine that produces 20.8 brake horsepower and 20.1 Nm of peak torque. The motorcycle is now significantly cheaper than its rivals, including the Suzuki Gixxer 250 and the Bajaj Dominar 250. Mahindra Group's Classic Legends Private Limited, that owns the Java and BSA brands, has received a £4.6 million grant from the UK government to develop electric motorcycles. Classic Legends previously announced its plans of reviving the BSA motorcycle brand in the electric segment, and the grant has given another boost to the project. The BSA company was awarded this grant by the UK government's Advanced Propulsion Centre for the development of innovative zero-emission motorcycles. The grant is a part of a low-carbon automotive initiative across the UK. Classic Legends set up its technical centre in Coventry last year that will work on the upcoming BSA motorcycles. Both internal combustion and electric motorcycles will be launched under the Storied brand.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.